Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm your host Omi and welcome to OMI-MIZ YouTube channel. Today is Monday and we're gonna be discussing the latest news and updates in the market. So without any waste, let's deep dive and understand why BTC had that bullish upside on the weekly candle close. If you want to get something amazing for your avatar, like a jacket like that or maybe other giveaways, don't forget to join the Discord for MetaWare and also check out MetaWare's website that had been updated yesterday and now they are describing the roadmap as well. So I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the Discord for MetaWare and don't forget to follow them on Twitter as well. The first news for today is El Salvador celebrates Black Friday, buys 100 BTC for 20% off. So El Salvador got an amazing Black Friday deal as their Naib bought 100 more Bitcoin at a 20% discount. This is something amazing news. We never expected governments to be buying dips and also getting a billing Black Friday discount on Bitcoin for themselves. With the addition of 100 coins today, El Salvador holds 1,220 BTC, worth roughly 66.3 million following the crypto assets drop to 54,000. This is a very bullish sign, knowing that El Salvador has been using their money and also making crypto schools and made a nice, amazing setup for their hospitals and other institutions. This is going to be giving El Salvador an edge that other countries are going to be suffering, as we know inflation has been increasing all around the world and we're already beginning to see its side effects as we come closer and closer to December Q4, where people are going to be expecting massive returns from the December sales, but unfortunately things aren't looking as good as they should be. DeFi protocol Omicron token jumps tenfold after namesake COVID variant emerges. OMIC surges is perhaps an evidence of peak irrationality. So इस वाले सीन के अंदर हुआ क्या है, this is very interesting. इसका जो नाम था ना coin का, that's very similar to the COVID variant that's just been announced. So a lot of people thought this is gonna be bullish or something, and they started buying this coin, and this coin pumped almost a tenfold within a few hours. The World Health Organization on Friday named the newly detected SARS COVID second variant B11529 as Omicron and deemed it as a variant concern, sending Bitcoin on the broader crypto market into tailspin along with equities. However, one little known cryptocurrency stayed resilient and chalked up a tenfold rally over the weekend. OMIC, the native coin of decentralized reserve currency protocol with the same name as newly detected COVID variant Omicron, picked up a bid nearly $70 late Friday and rose as high as 711 on Sunday according to data source crypto.com. So this is just amazing and this is just something weird, but things like that happen quite often in markets like this, where people are very speculative, and every time there'll be speculation in the market, always remember the market is going to deep dive and we're going to be seeing some losses in the momentum. But as the market has more clarity and we don't have less speculation and we are confident on what's going to be coming next, that's when the market starts pumping, and that gives investors also a lot of confidence. GA, Asia GA. This is the theme these days. Asia has been rallying Bitcoin almost the last two pumps have been done by Asia, and that's been great to know. As Asians, we've been pursuing some nice upside for Bitcoin as we would all want. So first mover Asia, Bitcoin altcoins rebound from Black Friday plump. Bitcoin rose past 57k on Sunday, although investors are nervously eyeing the spread of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus. It's very important for all of us to know that this coronavirus variant can affect the markets in a very negative way, but hopefully we were already prepared to know that there will be more variants coming on, and we've already have a lot of vaccines in the world that can help all the countries and all the people around the world to fight against this COVID variant. But the markets will take hit as this news progresses. Hopefully it's not going to be as big as people are expecting. And that's all for our news for today. Now let's see what's happening in our charts and technicals.
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए ये 4000 के लिए
So देखते हैं हमारा क्रिप्टो ग्रीड एंड फियर इंडेक्स आज कहाँ पहुंच गया है. Are people scared or are people लालची? So we're gonna be seeing we are at 33, and as always I predicted this to you guys last week. I told you guys whenever Bitcoin's greed and fear index is on 27, 26, it always pumps, and that's exactly what we had yesterday. We start pumping as it was on 27 and 26 regions, and today we're at 33. Market is still very undecided, and seeing our previous historical data, we expect a few retests before we go up. Let's see what's happening on coin market cap. So if we look at BTC's dominance is at 42.1 and Ethereum's dominance is right now 20%. The global crypto market cap is 2.58 trillion, a 5.29 increase over the last day. Massive upside. BTC was quite downways for past 2 weeks, and now we've seen a massive upside which has brought back the greenery in our markets, and everything is green for today. Bitcoin's dominance is currently at 42.09, an increase of 0.07 over the day. Not much increase in the dominance, but we've seen that Ethereum has been rallying and also providing good support to the market overall. Let's check out which are the winners in the 24 hours. So in 24 hours, we've seen Gala, Sandbox, PancakeSwap, Stacks, Wax, Loopring, X Immutable, Qcoin, OKB, Inchcoin, Waves, Kusama, Solana. So overall, we can see there's a mix of gaming and metaverse and NFT based coins that are pumping right now. For Sandbox, obviously we understand today is a massive event. I'm extremely excited for the event as I'm going to be attending myself. Let's see which are the ones that couldn't do much in the last 24 hours. We have EGLD. EGLD deserves a pullback, has been pumping and doing pretty well. Same for AMP. Basic action token has been pumping massively. It's up 52% in 7 days. Similar situation for Filecoin. And otherwise we also have mainly stable coins and Thorchain as well there, and GRT as well. Overall the market looks all right, gives a lot of stability, and we have a lot of coins that aren't bleeding today, which is a great sign. Today we're going to be starting from Ethereum's dominance. If we look at Ethereum's dominance, it was in a strong upside, and it's predicted before that we expected the Ethereum's dominance to rise up as predicted here. It did. It got rejected, made support, and now it has made support from its previous resistance, and now it's on a strong upside. If we break above 20.37, that can give Ethereum a lot of strength to go higher. As for BTC's dominance has been down and has been sideways in these regions. We even made a big W, and ever since making W, now we can expect an upside coming on. As we know, every time we make W's like this is a very good sign for us, and this will allow us to go higher. And the reason we also need to go higher, we need to have BTC's dominance coming back into control. We need BTC to be around somewhere 44-45% in order for it to be going towards 70,000 or 80,000. The good part in all of this is our RSIs, our MACDs, everything for now is very stable, and that already shows us we can easily have a big upside which is left. As we see for others dominance have a scenario similar to Ethereum's dominance. We've seen that it was rejected, went down, and now it's making a nice support from its previous resistance of 16.22, and we expect others to be giving good support to our altcoins as Ethereum rallies. Overall, let's scroll to the market and see what's happening from the bottom of our list. So we can start with AMP. If we look at AMP has been performing really well over the past few days. AMP was in a strong downtrend, and then it broke out, and now it's making higher highs and higher lows. Good to see it back in a strong upside bullish rally. For Mana made a new all-time high recently of 5.8, and now it's consolidating, making its previous all-time high a new support zone before going upside. For BAD, we had a similar situation. BAD made a new all-time. Did it make a new all-time high? Yeah, I guess so. It made a new all-time high. Wait, let's double check that. Oh yes, BAD made a new all-time high, and after doing that, it will also come down and probably be sideways here or come down and make support again from its previous all-time high. As for Super, Stacks, Earn, Anchor Protocol, all of these coins have been performing really well. We've even noticed ZIL making a massive pump today. It's pumping from my support zone. Great to see ZIL back in action. Had been sideways and in a very bearish price action for the last few days. XAV has been performing absolutely amazing. Is one of my favorite degens. Has given me a lot of returns and still is giving me returns. As I haven't sold much, I have just been quietly taking profits. Mango Markets, another degen coin, has been performing alright. We can see it's having a massive upside. I've noticed a lot of degens have been performing really well. They're even performing better than some of the big altcoins. As for Kusama's alright. As for FTM is also in a very strong downtrend. We made an upside, now we're again down and sideways trying to get support. There's not much volume or upside coming right now there. As for AXS has been pumping. AXS has been doing pretty well. It did go down all the way to 122 and now it's slowly gaining momentum and looks alright. As for Ethereum, the man of the moment, as noticed, these are my charts that I've been showing for some time now. A lot of people laughed on these charts too. We knew, because they don't know much about these markets. They always think whatever the upsides are coming, it's gonna be amazing for them, but that's not how the markets work. Anyhow, we can see there's an upside historical information here from September, and we can see a similar scenario happening here. We expect the market to build a similar scenario like this and then only decide a higher upside rally. And even for BTC, I expect something similar. So yep, now we're in our BTC chart. We can expect something similar, though we have already started testing the trend line, which is a great sign, but we haven't gone down and retested it. Possibly we're going to be doing that soon. If we don't do that, still that would be a good sign that we've already tested the trend line. We're expecting some massive upside coming probably this week, especially today, later today, when America wakes up, and I hope things are well. Yesterday I had a chance to hang out with some of the famous people in Decentraland, and there's some pictures from there as well that I gathered. So I met Dr. Xavier As yesterday, and there was also Oscar in a chat. We had a massive discussion and I got so much insight, got so much information. So I urge all of you guys to follow Dr. Xavier As on Twitter, and also find out and collect, if you want, collect any of his artwork, which is Holy Grails. It's amazing stuff, and he usually hangs out around the aquarium, so I will be hanging out there too more often now. See you guys there. And yep, that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And that's all for today, guys. Hope to see you guys later in Decentraland. See you guys in Discord at Meta Variables. And that's all for today, guys. Bye bye and take care.